My name is Raquel and I'm from Brazil.
How long have you been?
I was supposed to stay here for 2 weeks, but then I extended and I extended and I extended again, and I've been here for 5 weeks now. I do international studies in college, and I wanted to do something related to conservation and wildlife conservation. I think feeding the animals, feeding the zebras and giraffes and buffaloes, all of those. And I think because while we're working, we also have the experience to just see the animals and interact a little bit more with them and see them from up close. I think a lot about the animals and a lot about South Africa in general, a lot about South African culture, but also skills like how to do things in a short period of time, how to work in a small group or in a large group, things like that. I think a lot. There was a lot of things that I didn't know about in terms of how conservation impacts not only the animals but the country and the culture and all of the people who come here as guests. Yeah. I think a memorable experience was seeing all of the nocturnal animals that usually people here don't see on the night drives. So the your fox babies, the honey badger, the caracal. I think when I saw the 3 cheetah cubs for the first time, because it was really unexpected. We were just driving on the cheetah grounds and then suddenly like just 3 heads popped up on the main road. And it was really nice to see them for the first time after hearing about them for so long. The weather was a challenge because we have summer in Brazil and we have 30, 34 degrees, but the 40, 41 degree heat was a bit too much. I think just lots of water, lots of ice, lots of sunscreen. In a lot of ways, I already loved animals and I already loved the wildlife, but I feel like now having the experience of seeing them close and even like working very closely to certain animals have made my love for nature and love for the wildlife much bigger. Yeah, stay open to do everything and to try out everything, even if at first it sounds like ugh. And use lots of sunscreen and drink lots of water. I would say friendship, spekboom, and nature. I don't want to. I do not want to leave. That's how I feel. I think everything. The people who work here, the people who are also volunteers, the animals. I would say for anyone considering coming here, it is definitely worth it. You're gonna have a great time and learn a lot and meet a lot of nice people.